Hello, welcome to this channel. If this is your first visit, please subscribe. This will help promote the channel and offer it to other potential viewers. If you like the contents, then hit the like button and share the video with your friends. Ringing the bell will ensure that you are notified when we next release a video. Please leave a comment. Comments and new ideas help us to improve. What is a read-along? And who would use it and why? A read-along is an aid to help students, young and old, to read. To read at their own speed, at a time and place of their choosing. A read-along can come in several formats. The most common is a single electronic device, for example a laptop, tablet, PC, etc. It is also available on paper, but then it needs some form of audio device, like a CD player. Here are a few examples from our website. Have you ever seen a fairy tree? There is one near where the bears live, and they visit it whenever they are passing by. Sometimes their pals join them. It's officially called the Tree of Imagination. It was an old dead tree, but instead of it being chopped right down for firewood, it's been made into a home by the fairies. Charlie, in his role of construction manager, after all he does have the high-vis jacket, was in charge of choosing the position and fixing the box in place in the garden. He chose a nice open area on the garden fence, about 1 metre off the ground, where it was easy for the birds to fly in and out, but they would be away from any disturbances from larger birds or cats. He also had to bear in mind that when the bears were out gardening or playing games, they wouldn't be too near to the nesting box. A round piece of glass, which is specially made so that when you look at things through it, they seem to grow bigger and bigger, and you can see lots and lots of detail that you can't normally see with just your eyes. Custard decided to test it out first, and he looked through it at the badge on Cracker's bow tie. It had little tiny writing on it, which wasn't normally readable with the naked eye, but now he could see it really clearly without having to get really close and peer at it. Who would want to use a read-along? Any motivated student. For some students, learning to read can be a challenge. Motivated students want to learn to read when they want to, and not just when there is a good tutor or helper available. Good tutors are not always around when you need them, and tutoring quality can vary. One tutor could be very good, very patient. Another tutor could be someone whose first language isn't English and may have problems reading English, but wants desperately to help. With a read-along, the automated narrator can be made to repeat the reading text as often as the student needs, until the student is confident of reading the text without any help. We at teddybeartales.com offer a free service to these students, both on our website and here on YouTube. We do this in order to encourage an interest in reading by getting the students to read about activity suggestions. The activities are simple, often educational ones, that younger readers may want to try out and to learn from. See details in the description below. We use teddy bears in both our stories and activities to try and keep the imagination of the younger readers focused and their concentration span retained. If you think this service is a good idea and would like to support us in our quest, please donate on PayPal or purchase our merchandise. You can find the details in the description below. Please also comment below, giving us any thoughts or ideas or words of encouragement that you may have. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to subscribe, like and comment.